welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with Haley Boo. Haley.
Hi.
And we're going to do a how-to video, pretty much a basic facial using the Clean and Clear products I have on hand. They're great for teens and adolescents to get started with creating their own basic facial for skincare and keeping acne at bay. And so we're going to demo a little bit of how the products work and go through a basic facial for all of you today. The first step is cleanser, and right here I have the Clean and Clear Lemon Gel Cleanser. It's a fantastic formula, does what it says, it's the best. You put a little bit on your hand. It really truly is a gel formula. It goes on so nice and well, and I'm going to spray some water in my hands, get my hands nice and soapy. And you too, Haley, you can join in with this as well. Put a little bit on your hands, put some water on your hands and emulsify it in your hands to make a nice rich gel-like lather, and then massage it into your neck, because you always need to do your neck, working it all into your face for like a few minutes, making sure everything is well cleaned and you're getting all those crevices by your nose, really working it in. Especially if you have troubled areas, you want to work on that a little bit more than others. Like for you, maybe your forehead and your nose area, that would be your problem spot. My problem spot is pretty much the same area as well, and then all over my face. So yeah, you're gonna really work that in for like several minutes now, not too much, and then just massaging it and enjoying the aroma. It's a nice, beautiful lemony scent, right? It's nice. I really like it, and it works so well with fighting acne and problem areas. It just gets the job done. It's a fantastic product,
And it gives you good complexion.
yes, for real. So you want to make sure that each section is cleansed, your neck and your face, because what you do for your neck, you do for your face as well throughout your whole life. We're going to wash the product off our face, and then we're going to come back to you with the next step in our basic facial. So hopefully you're staying tuned for that. Next step with our facial is scrub. Today I'm using the Clean and Clear Watermelon Juicy Scrub, and it's a gentle exfoliant and it hydrates your skin while giving it the acne fighting treatment that it needs. Oil-free product, and we're going to use that today because it has a much better scrub quality than the lemon scrub that they have out. This one is for gentle exfoliation, kind of like a second cleanser. This will be a product for you if you have very sensitive skin that doesn't really need too much exfoliation. This is the one to get, but if you're into a nice, gentle, actual exfoliation, this is the product to choose. And we're going to put a little bit in our hand, just a little bit, kind of like a quarter size, enough product to get the job done. Here you go. And it has a nice, beautiful, rich watermelon scent. Very nice, subtle, and juicy. Going to spray our hand with some water here.
I wish everything smelled like this.
It has very subtle black granules in here, so that way you have a nice gentle exfoliation. And we're going to emulsify it in our hands and get a nice rich lather, and just start putting it onto our skin. Also doing the same for our neck. It's a nice scent, isn't it?
Yes, I wish everything smelled like it.
Yeah. Nice juicy scent of true watermelon. Great for the spring and summertime.
This is coming up.
Yeah. Well, I'm not sure if it's spring already. Get that spring and summer vibes going. You really want to work the product in, especially where you have trouble spots. No, you have to like really rub it. Yeah, get in there. Or I have the tiger. Get in there. You have to emulsify it in your hands. That's why on your face. That's why you have to see it to believe it, pretty much. Really get in there. You gotta really work your face nose area, everywhere. You gotta work it in. Massage it in for several minutes, letting it exfoliate all that dead, icky skin cells and bring about new, beautiful skin that's hiding underneath. Make sure you get everything. How does it feel?
Sticky.
Sticky?
But once
That's
you wash
sticky.
it off, you're gonna feel a lot better.
Yeah, you gotta do your neck too.
And it's definitely worth it.
You gotta do it and work that neck and chin area. Bring about all the new skin. The Clean and Clear products are great for adolescents who don't need too much exfoliation. Just a tiny bit just to get all that icky, nasty off. Nothing too harsh. I guess we're set and ready to rinse off this product, so we're going to go to the bathroom, rinse it off, then we're going to come back and pretty much do the next two final steps of this facial. Two steps are simple, easy to do, and you don't have to rinse these products off. This one is a toner. It's a blackhead clearing toner from Clean and Clear. Obviously everything is from Clean and Clear, and it's oil free, and it's supposed to help and prevent breakouts. And you're going to put a little bit in your hand or on a cotton swab or a cotton pad, something, just a little bit, and you could do the same. Rub it around in your hands a little bit and then massage it on your face using upward motions. It helps with keeping your skin and face lifted. But for men and boys, you want to do a downward motion because they have facial hair. But with women, you want to do a upward motion, and also pat in the product as well. Not slap your face, just a little bit of tapping, patting motions all around your face to let the product soak up and penetrate your skin. Finally, we're going to use the watermelon gel moisturizer, and we're going to pop that open, pump a little bit into our hand, kind of like a, what would you say, a nickel sized amount of product. Not too much, you don't need a lot, just one pump does the trick. And you want to emulsify it in your hands, like with everything else. Rub it a little bit.
And this also smells incredible.
Yeah. The scent is something real for sure. And we're going to massage it upward onto our skin.
Another
as well.
upward motion.
Yes. Everything upward motion. With serums, eye creams, everything you do is an upward motion. We want to prevent our skin from sagging and aging as long as we can. That's what we need to do. Get the forehead, and you also want to pat this product in as well, so that way all the good, awesome ingredients can soak into your skin. There you go. I think that we are done with our basic facial. Thank you so much for watching our how-to basic facial using Clean and Clear products for adolescents and teens. If you like the video, give it a huge thumbs up. As always, subscribe to the channel by pressing that notification bell, and you'll be notified when I post a new video, which is every Wednesday and Saturday. So please be on the lookout for those uploads as well. Follow me on all my social media, so that way you're up to date on the latest videos and scoops on like whatever we're doing and I'm doing, whatever. Follow us there. And Haley has her own Instagram and Facebook and all that, so check her out. I'll probably be tagging her, so check out her Instagram and follow her over there. So yeah, all good things. As well, check out my affiliate links and coupon codes down below, so that way you can get some great steals and deals. As well, I have my Avon shop available, so click that link and you'll find all the essential products that you need, and quick, easy, simple shopping and delivery. So go down there, check out the link. I would really appreciate it if I could be your representative today. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time.
Bye.
Bye everyone.